Tell you what.
Tell you how you born a baby.
How's a baby born?
Yeah.
Or how's a baby made?
How's a baby made?
Uh-oh. Are you ready for this conversation right now?
Yes. Is this disgusting?
Yeah, it's pretty disgusting.
Okay, tell me. Tell me.
I don't know if I can. Why don't you wait till mommy get home? She could tell you.
Mm-mm.
You want me to tell you?
Yes.
Man, why don't you ask Uncle Jay?
No.
Uncle Jay is great at explaining these things.
No.
You know what? Ask Auntie Steffi. She definitely is good at explaining these things.
No. I want to ask you.
Hey, why don't you ask Gigi?
No. I want to ask you.
So, once upon a time, there was, bro, you don't want to know right now,
I
man.
do.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
Bro, can we wait till the, like,
No.
80?
No. Just tell me.
Yeah, I mean,
Just tell me.
this is so embarrassing. Man.
Just tell me.
You're too young to be knowing this stuff
Just
right now,
tell
man.
me. Just tell me. Just tell me.
So you have a bird, right? And you have a bee, and you have a flower, right? And so the bird flies over the flower, and then the bee comes and flies over the flower too, and he pollinates it, and then the bee, and then then the bird comes and licks the flower, and then the bird is pregnant.
What?
That's the best I got.
Just tell me, Daddy. Dad, just tell me.
Okay, so you know how a man has a ting ting,
Uh-huh.
and mommy doesn't have a ting ting?
She has a hoo-ha?
She has a hoo-ha. Right. Her hoo-ha. Okay. So, so the ting ting asked the hoo-ha if they could go on a date. Right? So then the hoo-ha says, yes, we can go on a date. And so then the ting ting goes on a date with the hoo-ha, and then the hoo-ha is expecting a kiss goodnight from the ting ting. So then the ting ting kisses the hoo-ha goodnight, and then the hoo-ha wakes up, and then there's a baby in the hoo-ha's mouth. That's it. That's all I got.